mami niya.
Oh guys, I found the murderer. I need to hide.
Nag-English kuya.
I need to hide,
What?
guys. There's the murder. Where's the sheriff gun? I need to save the day.
Just forget that.
No.
Talo yung niya.
Guys.
Si kuya yan, nag-i-English.
I'm better.
Nag-i-English yan mga guys. Talo niya si kuya niya, Larsen. Salita na kayo kung English dapat usapan.
Oh my gosh, guys. There's a 1v1 going on. And we win, guys!
The sheriff
Yes,
win.
It's a victory dance. Victory.
I'm up.
Yay! We're gonna dance, everyone. We win! That was kinda pretty easy, man.
Partida, Larsen. Nag-i-English si PJ.
Guys, this bacon has a cool weapon.
Speak English.
He has a fiery weapon. I wish I could
guys,
trade him, but I don't have any items right now.
Nag-i-English sila.
Go to the beach
Oh.
resort.
Nah,
What beach resort?
Nah, just gonna play this. I'm going, guys, to the box. The secret of box. Oh guys, we're loading in.
Talo niya mag-English. Talo niya pa si tito niya, Judge, mag-English.
Guys, we're gonna open this again.
Judge, tignan mo
Look at
English
this.
yan, yung salita niya.
Look at this.
What to see?
He has green hair and
Saglit.
white gear hold.
Wala siyang binabasa dyan. Mag-English lang ang
Guys,
sarili.
I'm murderer. I have to be kids.
Wait lang guys. Wait lang guys. I'm doing. Okay guys.
Sino binabasa mo dyan, wala?
Wala.
English kasi
Kuya, English or Spanish?
This bacon is kind of good. Pretty good. Oh, this guy too.
Magsalita kayo ng English ni Kuya
Oh
daw.
my gosh. This guy is hallucinating me. Oh my gosh. No way, I almost do the guys. That would be a clutch.
Nag-English yan guys,
Guys,
walang binabasa
I
dyan.
just
Baka sabihin nyo, may
360 on
binabasa,
him.
wala. Nagsasalita lang talaga yan. English spoken. Yung isa mamaya
Bro, this guy is so...
mag-English daw,
Guys, this guy is so...
I just broke it.
Just so...
English yung mga yan.
You're the mord.
English usapan dapat. Kala ng paglalaro nila na ngayon marunong mga silang mag-English.
I need to kill this guy. I need to hide away. Oh, hello. What's up, friend? This is my friend. Just gonna do this, guys. Don't gonna be dead. It's okay if I die.
Nakasan mo yung salita na
It's okay if I die. It's still okay because this game is awesome. I love this. Okay, could you speak English right now, kid?
Oh yes, why?
Guys, I win. Guys, I win with.
Na I win.
Guys, this is my first win. I'm gonna emote on everyone. Lol. Guys, that was easy. But
Say
don't
easy
forget, guys,
peasy,
to
man.
subscribe.
cellphone mo, tagalin mo kasi na.
Look at this, guys. I killed everyone.
What are you holding?
Guys?
What are you holding?
I don't know how to. Oh, okay. Let's go to the house too. Oh, beach resort, guys. It's kind
What
of.
bitch?
We can have fun
What
together.
happened to my phone?
Just gonna do this. Sup. This is a mysterious man with no.
Hindi na marunong magsalita ng English siya. Ano yata?
What? I can speak
Talaga.
English, man.
Oh, guys, I'm innocent. I need to hide. I need to find the sheriff so we can.
Go swim, man.
So
Go
So-
touch some grass.
so
Oh.
look at
Talo
this,
niya
guys.
Si tito niya Judge,
Look
talo
at this.
niya pa si Kuya Brian.
Oh my gosh,
Talo niya
guys,
pa si
we have a
Kuya
swimming
Larsen.
pool. Look at this, guys.
Happy.
Someone touch some grass, man.
Marunong sila ng English.
Ang ganda swimming,
English
guys,
yung
oh.
usapan nila.
Guys, I love swimming. Look at this. I'm gonna slide.
Can you stop cellphone?
Whee! That was awesome, guys. We're just relaxing and enjoying our beach resort. What's in this?
When done
That's
recording,
not.